Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So creating cartoon avatar videos where OpenAI lets you turn animated characters into talking or moving videos. Okay, so it's perfect for content creation, storytelling or faceless videos. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to create cartoon avatar videos on OpenArt in 2026, fun and professional. So first thing first, go to OpenArt image generator, okay, write a prompt like cartoon avatar, male character, clean lines, expressive face, modern animation style. So I will show you the prompt itself. So for example, like this, okay, as you can see, true style anime, Pixar style, do 2D cartoon. Okay, so generate and download your avatar, save the exact prompt for reuse, and keep character consistent. So reuse the same prompt, add details like hair color, clothes, expression, okay, because consistency across scenes. Okay, so you can animate the avatar now. So go to image to video, upload your avatar, add motion prompts like talking animation, slight head movement, expressive face, smooth motion, okay, and then generate short clip. Add that voice or dialogue. So you have two options like use built-in talking or lip sync tools, or add voice later in editing. Okay, so voice makes avatar feel alive. Okay, you can create multiple clips, like generate different scenes, okay, talking, reacting, explaining, so you can build a sequence. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.